Mr. and Miss Mark Christian and Caitlin Mendoza.
My name is Cody Mendoza and I'm 6 years old. And I grow up, I want to be doctor because I want to help some people.
Sebastian Tyler V. Ramos, son of Mr. and Miss Tyson and April Joy Ramos.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sebastian Tyler V. Ramos. When I grow up, I want to be a vet because I want to treat sick animals.
Luke Gabriel C. San Juan, son of Mr. Kiston and Jamela San Juan.